Hello guys, what's going on? I'm Krishna here. So today, as your request, I will make a video with English language on how to fix the Asus FX504 stuttering problem when you play games. I mean, stuttering is like you have a high FPS like 50, then it drops to below 10 and goes to 50 again, like noticeable FPS dips, as it's very annoying in this laptop. And it's all because of the power limit throttling, and it seems the laptop itself can't provide enough power to drive both of them at the full power. You know what I mean? Performance of the gaming very bad. I mean, it's like you got the stuttering and all like that. Okay, so I will help you to fix that problem. Okay, first thing first, what you want to do is download MSI Afterburner. Search it. Here are the official page, and you need to find the download. Okay, here it is. Download it. Okay, start download. What you're gonna do is launch it. I have it shortcut here. Yes, and okay, this is the what you see first in the MSI Afterburner. So what you're gonna do is undervolt the processor by following what I'm doing here. Okay, so it consumes less power to achieve the highest clock. So what you want to do is press this. Okay, and okay, here's the curve. Okay, here's the curve, and I've made my own curve that is so this one is my curve here. We should try to make this. Okay, so how you gonna make that curve? So you're gonna pull this up.
We got 1770 megahertz. I don't know how to say it, so okay, sorry for my bad English. Okay, then just pull this up and make it flat until wait, I don't remember it. Okay. Just keep setting it out and hit apply. So because every time you hit apply, the curve gets altered a bit. Okay, so it's annoying. Okay, I know it. You need to pay attention to this. Okay, make it flat. You can make this as flat as possible, but it's difficult for me because I'm doing it fast. Okay, no, this one is flat. Then flat it up. Okay, just flat it out and hit apply, and here apply until the point you reach.
Okay, until you make this curve. Okay, so what this final curve should be like. It should be like this. Okay, it is, but let's say this MV. Okay, in 900 MV you reach 1070 86. Okay, megahertz, just with 900 MV. Where before, when we want to reach this clock speed, we have to go to 1075 MV. Now we only have to use 900 MV. Okay, so we can now apply it and close it. Okay, and you want to save it to the profile slot of your choice. Okay, so you gotta remember this. You need to remember this. Okay, I save it on my slot 5. I save it on slot 5, and every time I revert it to default, or I close MSI Afterburner and I relaunch it. Okay, so every time I boot up, I don't have to alter the curve all over again. I just have to press 5. That was my previous profile, and apply. Okay, oh, that's my curve. Okay, so this one is turned off by default, so you need to click this until it's going red. Okay, This means you don't need to open your MSI Afterburner and apply the profile manually at the startup. So by clicking this, it will do for you automatically on startup. Okay, so you don't have to change profile and apply every time you start up the Windows or reboot the Windows. So it will automatically load the profile at startup. Okay, so one more thing, click these options and make sure okay. Oh, this start with Windows Start Minimized. Okay, and also this you wanna monitor all your temperatures, GPU usage, memory usage, core clock, temp limit, power limit, voltage limit, CPU temperature. Make sure it's checked. Okay, checked on this and checked on this. Okay, all of them. Okay. So what you so when you're in game, you can watch all your information. So you know what's causing the stuttering or what is throttling. You know it. So you can decide which one to undervolt more, which one you need to tweak, which one you need to fix. Okay, and now you can search for throttle stop. Okay, this one is undervolting software for your processor or CPU. You just download it. Okay, download. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, download. Okay, click start download. Okay, so you've downloaded the throttle stop. Okay, so now this is what you see in the throttle stop. What you're gonna do is make it same settings like mine, like set multiplier, speed shift, sway, speed stand. Okay, make sure it's same like mine. Okay, and we're gonna open the 5R control. Wait, this one is not enabled by default. So what you're gonna do first is enable it and adjust the offset voltage to this. Okay, this value 141.6. Let's just set this 1000 first. Okay, exactly the same Intel GPU, exactly the same offset of voltage, CPU catch, adaptive, exactly the same, all of them exactly the same. Okay, exactly the same, nothing different, 3 of them. Okay, now turbo ratio limits. Okay, I choose this one, the 6 core active one. 6 cores active. Its default is, I think, is 39 or 40. I don't really remember, so forgive me, because I've been running the undervolt for like 2 months without tweaking it. Okay, so just what you're gonna do is decrease this to 32. What that means, what does that mean? So that means is locking your CPU clock speed, locking your CPU maximum clock speed to 33.2 megahertz when the 6 cores is active. Okay, when 1 core is active, it can go 4.1 gigahertz, 4.1 gigahertz, 4.1 gigahertz, 4.1 gigahertz, 4 gigahertz. And when 6 core active, this one use many power, so we're gonna nerf the processor. Okay, we're gonna nerf it until 3.2. Okay, we're gonna hit apply. Oh, wait. Okay, set this. Okay, save voltages immediately. Okay, make sure all of them same with me. Okay, same with me, and this turn on this. Okay, and the power, you don't need to use high performance for this laptop because that's pointless. you're gonna get power throttling anyways. So I suggest you keep using balanced to preserve more power for your GPU and CPU, so it's not using all power all the time. Okay, you know what I'm saying? It will balance the power. This one is better, so it don't mask the performance of your laptop. Okay. Okay, now the throttle stop workaround is done. Now we're gonna set the throttle stop to run at the startup. First, search for scheduler. Okay, task scheduler. Click. Okay. Now we can create a task. Name startup throttle stop. You can name it whatever you want, and description whatever you want, and run with the highest privilege. Check this. Configure for Windows 10. Okay. And triggers. I'm gonna add new. Oh, I'm lagging. Okay. Begin the task. Add log on. Specific user. Okay, this is me, Kresno. It's short name Kresna, but I mistype it Crescent instead. So okay, never mind. Now actions, new action, start the program. You wanna point this to the throttle stop. Throttlestop.exe. Double click. Okay. Conditions. I don't want this. Settings. I don't want to stop it. Again. Okay. We're done. So let's test it out. Where is it? Okay, here it is. And run. Yes, got it running now. Make sure it's enabled by default, so it will run at startup. Okay, now just try restart the laptop and see if it's running on startup. Okay, restart. Seems the startup is working really fine. So at the startup, I got the throttle stop with the profile and the MSI afterburner at the startup. Both of them running. We have my active profile here, the undervolted one. This one is undervolted too. Oh shit, undervolted. Okay, make sure. Oh, this is settings. Okay, all applied at startup. So we can just forget this and never touch it anymore. Okay, now we are playing Witcher 3. Now you can see on the top left corner. Let's try to run around. Let's go to, oh yeah, Novigrad, I'm coming. Okay, now we're at the Novigrad. We're literally in the center of the Novigrad, where the most powerful CPU will even tank in this area. Okay. Oh look. Our CPU is using 25 watts. Oh here, 24 watts. Okay. It was using 24 watts. CPU make less heat by undervolting. The CPU does too, but it's still spiking to 80s. But It's actually better than before the walk around. Okay, now that's it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like it and you want more videos from me for this laptop. I think overclocking or more other tricks to make your experience better with this laptop. Okay, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, and if you need further assistance like team viewer, I can help you, but if I have free time, okay, you can email me. I put my email on the description. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.